Today we will see how to solve this type of question. The question is a raised to power of 1 over 4 plus a raised to power of 1 over 2 that is equal to 1. Our goal is to find a value here. The first term in the exponent we have 1 over 4 and the second term in the exponent we have 1 over 2. Each and every time we cannot write a raised to power of 1 over 4 plus a raised to power of 1 over 2. It is a bit complex, that's why I am going to consider a raised to power of 1 by 4 as some other variable. Just assume it as k. If you do square on both sides here, then you will get a raised to power of 1 over 4 whole power 2 that is equal to k power 2. Now observe the left hand side. Left hand side it is in the form of a raised to power of m whole raised to power of n. So what's the formula of this? We can write this as a raised to power of m n, isn't it? Similarly, the left hand side we can write this as a raised to power of 1 over 4 times 2. The 2 is in the numerator. So after cancelling 2 and 4, we get a power 1 over 2 that is equal to k power 2. Now substitute these values in our original expression. A raised to power 1 over 4 we consider as k. So let write as first term as k plus a raised to power 1 over 2. After squaring on both sides we got this a raised to power 1 over 2 as k power 2. So instead of a power 1 by 2 we can write this as k power 2 that is equal to 1. We convert into quadratic equation, isn't it? So this is k power 2 plus k minus 1 that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, so it is so easy to find the k value, isn't it? So what's the formula to find the k value? It's minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, isn't it? So let's substitute the values. Here the a value is 1 and b value is 1 and c value is minus 1. Let's substitute here. Minus of b value is 1 plus or minus square root of b square, that means 1 square which is 1 only, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1. And here minus and minus which gives plus, 4 times 1 is 4, so that is plus 4 over 2 times a is 1, so 2 times 1 is 1. So this value is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So the k values are minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 and another one is minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. These are the k values. Our goal is to find a value. So that's why, and also we consider k as a power 1 over 4. So let's take that. So instead of k, I am taking a raised to power 1 over 4 that is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. So our goal is to find a value, not a power 1 over 4 value. To get rid of this 1 over 4, I am taking 4th root on both sides. Let's do power 4 on both sides. This 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so we left only a, that is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 whole power 4. This whole power 4 we can write this as 2 times 2. Now it is in the form of a power m times n. We can write this as a power m whole power n. So we can write this as minus 1 plus 5 over 2 whole power 2 and again whole power 2. We can write this as root 5 minus 1 whole square over 4 whole power 2. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So what's the formula? A square, that is root 5 whole square. After square and square root gets cancelled, we get only 5. Let's take 5 plus b square, that is 1 square which is 1, minus 2ab, that is 2 root 5. So 5 plus 1 which gives 6, 6 minus 2 root 5, that is the root 5 minus 1 whole square value over 4 whole power 2. Now we need to do again square here. Now again it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Our a is 6, 6 square which is 36 plus 2 root 5 whole square, that is 2 square times root 5 whole square. 2 square which is 4 and square root gets cancelled, so we get only 5. So 4 times 5 which gives 20. So the b square, the value is 20, minus 2, a is 6 and b is 2 root 5 over 4 power 2, which is 16. That is equal to 36 plus 20, which gives 56, minus 6 times 2 12, 12 times 2 24, 24 root 5 over 16. We can write it as 2 times 8. We can write it as, in terms of 8, that is 8 times 7, and this we can write it as 8 times 3, isn't it? So here 8 and here 8 and denominator also 8. So let's 8 take it as common. Then you left 7 minus 3 root 5 over 8 times 2. And here 8 and here 8 gets cancelled. So you left, the a value is 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2. This is the first value. We got two solutions. The first solution is minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. That is the first solution. Further, we found that a value is 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2. And now we need to check the second value, which is minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Let's check it for the second case. This we can write it as minus of 1 plus root 5 over 2. We consider k value as a power 1 over 4. Let's take that. Our goal is to find a value, not a power 1 over 4. That's why I'm doing power 4 on both sides. This 4, write it as a power m whole power n. Left hand side, after cancelling 4 and 4, we get only a. So first we solve this inside part, which is minus of 1 plus root 5 whole square over 2 square, which is 4. Still we need to do whole power 2. We will take later. Minus whole square becomes positive. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square form. So a square, which is 1, plus b square, that is root 5 whole square. After cancelling square and square root, we get only 5 plus 2ab whole power 4. 5 plus 1, which gives 6. After doing square, we got this 6 plus 2 root 5 over 4. Still we need to do whole power 2. So let's take that. Now again it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now do it again. 6 power 2, which is 36, plus b power 2, 2 root 5 whole square, which gives 20, plus 2ab over 4 power 2, which is 16. 36 plus 20, which gives 56. And here 2 times 6 times 2, which gives 24. 24 root 5. If you take 8 as common here, then you will left 7 plus 3 root 5 over 2 times 8. Here 8 and 8 gets cancelled. So you left only 7 plus 3 root 5 over 2. That is the second solution. 7 plus 3 root 5 over 2. And our first solution is 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2. These are the two solutions of this expression. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.